What is up guys, Stan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach your OneDrive link to your Outlook mail. So first, head over to Microsoft OneDrive's website, and if you are new here, click on create a free account, or if you already have a OneDrive account, simply click on sign in and then sign in with your OneDrive account. After that, when you have been logged in and redirected to the homepage of Microsoft OneDrive, you just need to choose the file whose link you want to copy. So just select the file, and after selecting the file, let's say I have selected this file, so I'll just click on share, or if I just directly want the link, I'll just click on copy link, and then the link will be copied to my clipboard. And after that, when the link has been copied, open the new tab, and then in the new tab, search for Outlook and then open and log in your Outlook account. And after that, when you come to the home page, from here, click on New and then compose a new mail. After that, when the new mail appears, you just need to go to this content section and then just simply paste the link in your browser or in your web outlooks here inbox. And after that, when you have pasted the link, you will be able to send it to someone whosoever's emailed you right here. And this is how you can attach a OneDrive share link to Outlook. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.